Ayodhya is basking in a divine glow to mark the 9th edition of Deepotsav. Over 28 lakh diyas will illuminate 56 ghats and create a spectacular visual along River Saryu. Here is a ground report. Take a look.
So it's Deepotsav and the stage is set for the mega event as the procedure of placing the diyas have already been completed. Now the counting procedure by the volunteers themselves have started at the Ram Ki Paidi. You see the visuals and just witness the beauty of Ram Ki Paidi where lakhs of diyas are placed right over here as volunteers are in full action. Firstly, placing the diyas where it is left. Secondly, they have already started counting. Also, the drones have also come up over our cameras. So the drone work, that itself is another procedure of counting these particular diyas, because Guinness Book will also use these particular drones to count the diyas out here, and that's why they have assembled in large numbers at the Ram Ki Paidi to ensure that the world record must remain so. Also, the Rangoli, which is based on the UP Lok-Kala, is also one of the highlights at the Ram Ki Paidi. With cameraman Sandeep, Samarth Srivastav for India Today.
Now with that, viewers, as Ayodhya gears up for a dazzling Deepotsav 2025 today, all eyes are not just on the lakhs of diyas, but also on the cultural tableau lighting up the spiritual narrative. One powerful depiction this year will be featuring goddess Kali, brought to life through a dramatic performance that showcases her mythological tale. My colleague Samarth Srivastav takes you straight to the heart of the action.
Is the start of tableau in Ayodhya as you see that artists from Andhra Pradesh in the attire of Ma Kali have started performing their dances, the tongue outside, the mukut over the head and the sword in their hands, clearly depicting the story of the tableaus. And it seems that Ma Kali is also welcoming Ramchandra of Treta Yuga, and these drums out here ensuring that it's electrifying atmosphere in the temple town with these artists doing their best in great attire. Just see and witness the beauty of Andhra Pradesh in Ayodhya, because it gives the feel of Treta Yuga in the temple town with sun coming from the sky. The dance of Ma Kali is increasing rapidly with the beats as you see the visuals out here. The way they have been decorated is exemplary, and that is just setting the movement very, very high in the temple town as cameraman Sandeep showing the visuals out here. Just witness this electrifying atmosphere in Ayodhya currently with such electrifying dances happening right over there in Ayodhya. Ma Kali also welcoming Lord Shri Ram in the temple.